Weirs Limited, now Clyde Pumps. Cathcart Works, 147 to 149 Newlands Road, Glasgow. In 1904, Dorothy Pullinger was still at boarding school when her father was lent by his employers, the Sunbeam Motorcar Company Limited in the English Midlands, to Weirs Limited in Cathcart on the southern edge of Glasgow. He was there for about 10 weeks to oversee the construction of 3 cars for Darracq to Darracq's design and using Weirs staff who had never built any kind of car before. Thomas Pullinger had started his own car building career with Darracq in France in 1893, so he had some knowledge of Darracq vehicles. These cars were built especially for Darracq's British racing team to enter in the Gordon Bennett Cup race of that year. This was a ruse by Darracq to attempt to beat the race rules on the number of cars per country per brand. The ruse failed, and none of Darracq's 3 different teams of cars was successful in the races. The present factory on this site replaced the earlier one in 1937 and is a fine example of an Art Deco daylight factory still in its original use. It looks very similar in style to the 2 factories Arrol Johnstone's built at Heath Hall and Tongland, and follows the same Cairn method of reinforced concrete construction used in the Henry Ford car factories in the USA. It is possible that this, Thomas Pullinger's first visit to Scotland, introduced him to other automobile engineers north of the border, and ultimately led to the offer of a job in 1908 from Sir William Beardmore, who had by then taken over the Arrol Johnstone Company.